Hey guys, Jake here, and in this video I want to give you a quick review of the Shure PSM 300 wireless in-ear system along with the Shure P3RA body pack. So this system runs about $700, and I really think it's probably the best mid-level wireless in-ear system. There's lots of options out there. You can get cheaper ones like the Audio 2000s, which we also run, and that costs us about less than $200, but you get what you pay for. The quality of it is just not very awesome. You get lots of interference, and just the fidelity of the sound, just not that great. I'm very pleased after using this guy and this setup along with my All Clear custom in-ears. It's been working great for a couple weeks, and I was able to get the transmitter set up with our digital snake over here. We have two XLRs coming out from our S32 stage box. That gives me a stereo in-ear mix, which allows me to have such a clear mix. Before I was running mono, now I'm running stereo. Hopefully never have to go back to mono. You can get by on mono if you really need to, but stereo especially allows you to pan things. So I can pan, the vocalist to my right ears, or maybe the keyboardist, I can pan him to my left ears. So it gives me better spatial awareness to hear the different instrumentalists and know where sounds are coming from. And then, of course, just having that stereo feel to listen to just makes it just so much clearer and so much balanced. So I have my wireless transmitter set up right less than 15 feet away from me on stage here, and the signal interference, I was getting a little bit on some of the channels, so all I did was I kept switching the different frequencies until I found a frequency where there's just no interference. And I finally found one, sounds really great, and it works awesome. So really pleased with this. So if you're ready to invest in, like I said, a more mid-grade wireless in-ear system, definitely recommend Shure PSM 300s. And I got kind of the better body pack. This is one that has just better build quality, more features in here. When you look at the system online, you'll see options for kind of a cheaper plastic body pack. Could still work just fine, but I feel like this just has some pro features and functionalities, being able to navigate this menu screen, that come in handy. As always, we're gonna link this gear down below this video, and if you want to link to all of our recommended gear for worship ministry, then check out the worship ministry toolkit as well, linked below. So we have a ton of gear recommendations you can check out there. So for more videos like this, we're always reviewing gear for worship. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and share with your friends.